You know what's really interesting? When you start to notice the subtle shifts in conversations among health professionals. And lately, I've been hearing doctors talk about the gelatin trick in a really serious way. It's not just a passing mention, they're actually diving deep into the benefits of incorporating this simple daily ritual into their patients' routines. Apparently, the gelatin trick has been helping people wake up without that bloated, sluggish feeling, and it's all about how gelatin works to soothe and support the digestive system. My friend, who's a nurse, told me that she's seen patients who have tried the gelatin trick and noticed a significant difference in their overall energy levels and digestion. The gelatin trick is all about using gelatin in a very specific way to get these benefits, and it's amazing to see how such a simple thing can have a profound impact. If you're curious about the gelatin trick and how to make it a part of your daily routine, check out the link in the description below for more information. And be sure to take a look at the pinned comment, where I've shared some additional tips on getting started with the gelatin trick. Take a closer look and see how the gelatin trick can work for you, and let's get started on this journey to better wellness together.